Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the boot device not found error code 3F0 on your HP laptop. This error usually shows up when your laptop can't find a drive to boot Windows from. It could be caused by the hard drive not being detected by your PC, corrupted or misconfigured BIOS settings, or even a hardware issue. In short, it could be either software or hardware related. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the top 3 methods to fix this issue. Before we begin, like this video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tech tutorials and tips. Now, let's get into the fixes. One of the most common reasons for this error is incorrect BIOS settings. To fix this, restart your laptop by using the power button . As soon as it starts, press the F10 key repeatedly to enter BIOS. Once you're inside BIOS, the BIOS menu screen should appear like this. If your BIOS screen looks different from mine, don't worry. Check the video linked in the description. I've made other videos covering this same issue on different laptops with different BIOS interfaces. The method I'm about to show works specifically for HP systems, with the same BIOS layout as mine. Now navigate to the System Configuration tab, then go down to Boot Options. Here you'll see that legacy support is disabled and secure boot is enabled. To resolve the error, simply enable legacy support and disable secure boot. For most HP laptops, this change allows the BIOS to detect the hard drive properly. However, if your legacy support is already enabled and secure boot is disabled, try switching it the other way around. Disable legacy support and enable secure boot. After adjusting the settings, press the Escape key on the keyboard to return to the main menu. Go to the Exit tab and select Save Changes and exit BIOS. Select Yes to confirm. The system will restart. Enter the code on the screen and press Enter to complete the changes. Your laptop should now boot to Windows. If changing the boot settings doesn't help, the next step is to reset the BIOS to factory defaults. Again, go into the BIOS using the F10 key during startup. Once inside, go to the Exit tab and select Load Setup Defaults. Confirm the selection when prompted, then choose Exit Saving Changes. This will reset all BIOS settings to their original state, which can often resolve boot-related issues caused by misconfiguration. If the problem still persists, it may be a hardware issue. One possibility is that the hard drive, or SSD, is physically disconnected from the motherboard. If that's the case, no amount of BIOS changes that you make that will ever help. Now let's proceed to check if there is a hardware disconnection. To do this, you will need to open the back of your laptop, check the drive connection. If it's loose or completely disconnected, reconnect it firmly and reassemble the laptop. Right here, you can see that the hard drive is not connected to the motherboard. It's loose if that's the issue in your own case, then that what's causing the no boot device found error message during startup. Once everything is back in place, turn on your PC and check if the system boots up. This kind of issue is common because the hard drive or SSD is where Windows is installed, and if it's not properly connected, your laptop won't detect a boot device, resulting in the no boot device found error. If you've tried all three methods and are still stuck with the error, it's likely that the hard disk or SSD has failed or the Windows operating system is corrupted. In the case of a corrupted OS, you'll need to reinstall Windows using a bootable USB. If the hard drive or SSD has crashed, you'll need to replace it and perform a clean installation of Windows. And that's how you fix the error 3F0, no boot device found issue on your HP laptop. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more easy tech solutions like this. All right, see you in the next video.